Hello everybody. Today we will go through the next series of the LINQ operator, and this is the last part of the LINQ operators. Today in this we will go through the sets operators. There are mainly four sets operators: distinct, except, union and intersects. As all LINQ operator returns enumerable interface, and the methods are designed to allow you to query the data which supports the enumerable interface. You can use LINQ operators allows us to use a set of operations on a result of LINQ query. So you can set the results of the using LINQ sets operators. And now let's go through all through one by one. Let's go first this using distinct. Let's take first distinct. Distinct allows you to get a distinct value from a two list. It will remove the duplicate records from an collections object. So let's take simple examples. Here I have taken an integer array, and if you want to find out a distinct value from this integer array, you can write use the distinct method. Here I have write down like this. Now the result will be the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The duplicate values are removed. In terms of the LINQ context, if you have an employee tables and you want to find out a distinct name of the employee, then you can write the query as below. From EMP in employees, select EMP name dot distinct. Here you must have to use this bracket and must have to use bracket, and you and can write distinct methods. You cannot write here simply like EMP dot name dot distinct, then result will be the wrong. So you must have to bracket to a query, whole query, and then use a distinct method. Now second is the accept. Accept returns the richer results which appears in one object but not in another object. Means here I have taken two integer arrays, and in this if you use the accept, I set first integer array, then accept and pass second integer array. So in this the result will be the 1 3 which is not in the second array. So the common elements of the common elements which are in both the arrays will be removed. It will get only the values that are only in a first array. So as per the LINQ contest, if you have a two table name with the employee and employer, and then you want to find out the employee name which is only in an employee table, not in an employer table, so you can write the LINQ query here below as below. So just can write a simple select query and take it in a two different object, and just use the accept and just use an accept method. So it will return the employee names which is only in employee table, not in an employer table. Now third is an intersect. Intersect returns the elements which are common in both the elements. It is opposite to the accept. Here I have taken a two integer array. It will returns the result. If you use intersect, then it will returns the result which is a common in both array. So the result will be the 4 and 5 which are common. As per the LINQ context, if you have a two table employee and employers, and you want common employee names which are in both the tables employee and employers, so you can write the query same as we wrote in accept. You just use intersect instead of accept. Next is union. Union returns the results which are unique values from both the collections objects. And here I have taken two integer array, and if you do a union with these objects, it will returns the unique value from both the objects. You can it is the same as a distinct also, but distinct will remove the element from the object, while it will union will returns the results. if you have in a LINQ query, in a LINQ context, if you have same as employee in employer table, and if you want to find out a unique employee name from both the tables, you just use an union. Same as we wrote using except and intersect, just use a union keyword instead of intersect. This is all up to the sets operators. Thanks.